Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the Scan Tool Network. In this video we're going to show you how to do the oil service reset on a Mercedes C Class. This is a W204 chassis. It's the estate that we're in right now, but it'll also work on the coupe and the saloon version as well. So let me show you the message that we're getting first of all. I'm going to pop the key in just to position 1. We've got top up fluid, and then we've got the service B3 overdue by 150 days, which is quite some time. So most vehicles will require a scan tool to actually reset this message. But in this video, you're able to do it without using any scan tool whatsoever. The reason we've got a scan tool here though is because all of the instructions are displayed on these screens here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the screens first of all so you can screenshot them if you want to. Then after we've had a look at that, I'm going to go through and actually do it in the real world so you can copy exactly what I do in order to get the service message reset. So there's like 5 screens here. This is the MB version 1.0. So if you did need a tool for your Mercedes C Class, this is the one I'd recommend. You can pick it up at Diagnostic World. I'll pop the link in the description, okay? So this is screen 1, so please make screenshots of this. I'll try and get it as close as possible so you can read it. Right, so that's number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Okay, so basically it's a series of button presses on here that take you through to getting this service message reset. So I'm going to show you that now. So first of all, I'm just going to take the key out because it's very important that you put the key in the right place when you do this. So you need to get the key, put it in the ignition, and then twist it to the first position, okay? At that point you will get your radio coming on. Just turn that off. You will get a few messages on here as well, okay? So I'm just going to OK to these messages that we've got. Okay, and then what we need to do is we need to press this along button here until we see the trip menu. Then we need to press the call and answer, and within 1 second of that we need to press and hold OK. Okay, so I'm going to talk you through it as I do it, and then once we've done that it should open up a new menu. Right, so we are along to see the trip, then we go call, answer, OK, hold them down for 5 seconds. And then you see a new menu open up. Vehicle data roller test assist plus. So we go down to assist plus, click OK. There's 2 options in this one. You've got service data, which just gives you basic information about the remaining time and days and distance. So we can come out of that. You can go into full service, scroll right the way down, confirm full service, service carried out. We're going to click yes. Cannot be undone, so you can either cancel at this stage or you can confirm it. I'm going to confirm it. Full service completed. So then we come out of this, back to the usual menus, and now I'm going to completely take the key out, and then we'll see what happens when I put the key back in. Hopefully this message should have gone. So we've got the top up washer fluid, which we know we need to change, and then once we're out of that, the service message has completely been reset. So that's I hope this has helped you. As I say, all of these informations and sort of step-by-step instructions are on this tool. So if you did want to get this tool maybe for future use, obviously not only will it do your service resets, but it's also going to do things like diagnose your main systems like your engines, airbags, ABS, transmission, anything else like that. But it's a really, really good tool, and I'd highly recommend it if you do have one of these cars and you want to maybe look after it yourself and do your own work on it and sort of maybe save a bit of money by not having to take it to the garage, okay? I'll pop the link to this kit in the description below this video, but as I said, you do not need this tool to be plugged in at all to carry out the procedure that we've just done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.